Hi everyone, thanks for watching. This is AMRC and I'm Alex. Tonight I'll be flying the UMX Twin Otter with floats and the extra lights. And you can probably see there's a lot of snow around. Although it's the beginning of April, it's very unusual we get this much snow this time of year. But it's a good opportunity to fly this with floats again. Only flew it once, I think. So let's go. Okay, let's use takeoff flaps. Like I said, it's really rare we get this much snow in April. Usually, yeah, maybe there's some snowflakes overnight and they're gone by noon. But it was snowing the whole day and really windy. Luckily, the wind died down. And we didn't get that much snow this winter compared to other winters. It's basically almost no snow. And really happy I can try this on floats again. It's really fun. Taxiing it on the snow with the differential thrust is real easy. Oh my god, it's so quiet. At night, it's when you realize you can barely hear it. Yeah, with these lights I added, makes flying at night a breeze. Let's try some touch and goes. Misjudge the distance, but actually it looks like it's pretty clear out there. Let me try and see if I can take off from here. Oop. Okay. As I said, this thing is fun. Taxiing in the snow. Let me try that some more. I get really good control. Okay, let's take off again. Fortunately, my flying space here, oh, that was a quick touch and go. My flying space here got a bit crowded. Whoa. Oh man, almost hit myself with it. Okay, sorry, I'm really focusing here, trying not to hit myself. It's really fun. Not fast, but it's agile. The turns, even with the floats on, keep In mind, this is just 1S powered. Almost touched there, but not quite. Let's try a loop. Oh, was a bit low. Luckily it cleared. Okay, down to 1 minute on the timer. I think I could go a bit more, but let's go full flaps. Okay, that was a really quick touch and go. With the cold, I don't want to risk it too much. It's not very cold, just below freezing. There goes the timer. Timer's up. Let me do some full flap passes. Doesn't slow down that much, but still good enough for such a small plane. One thing I found out is without power it likes to sink. I don't know if it's my setup. The elevator is centered, so at half throttle it's flying pretty level. Yeah, so there you go, guys. Probably the last snow of the season. And there she is, landed safely, all in one piece. A really fun flight for me. Hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And if you'd like to add flaps to your UMX Twin Otter, or maybe other UMX planes, I'll post the link to my how-to videos. Check them out. And don't forget to like this video, leave some great comments, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.